Are you looking to strengthen your relationships and build deeper connections? You're in the right place. I'm delighted to have you here on Wonderful Relationship, where we dive into ways to make your personal connections shine. Relationships are the cornerstone of a happy life, and today we're going to make them even better. Today, we're going to explore 5 ways to improve your relationships. These aren't just tips. They're transformative practices that can make a world of difference. Whether it's with your partner, family, or friends, these tips will help you create more meaningful bonds. Imagine a life where your relationships are thriving, filled with love, trust, and mutual respect. Whether it's a romantic relationship, a bond with family, or a friendship, these principles apply universally. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's embark on this journey together. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll have actionable steps to enhance the quality of your relationships. Let's get started. Way 1, improve communication. Communication is the foundation of any strong relationship. It's not just about talking, but truly listening and understanding. Practice active listening and show genuine interest. Be clear and direct in your communication. Use I statements and pay attention to body language. Make time for regular check-ins. Improving communication can transform your relationships. Way 2, spend quality time together. Quality time is the glue that holds relationships together. In our busy lives, it's easy to get caught up in work, chores, and other commitments, but making time for your loved ones should be a priority. It's not just about the quantity of time you spend together, but the quality. Plan activities that you both enjoy. It could be as simple as cooking dinner together, going for a walk, or watching a movie. The key is to be present and engaged. Put away your phones and other distractions. Focus on each other and the moment you're sharing. Another great way to spend quality time is to try something new together. It could be a new hobby, a dance class, or even a weekend getaway. Experiencing new things together can strengthen your bond and create lasting memories. Don't underestimate the power of small, everyday moments. A quick coffee break, a shared joke, or even a few minutes of cuddling on the couch can be incredibly meaningful. It's these little moments that build a strong foundation for your relationship. Make it a habit to schedule regular date nights or family outings. It doesn't have to be extravagant. Even a simple picnic in the park can be a wonderful way to connect. The important thing is to make it a priority and stick to it. Remember, quality time is about connection, not just proximity. It's about being emotionally available and genuinely interested in each other. Ask open-ended questions, share your thoughts and feelings, and listen with empathy. If you have children, involve them in your quality time. Family activities can bring you closer and create a sense of unity, but also make sure to carve out some one-on-one time with your partner. Balancing family time and couple time is crucial for a healthy relationship. Spending quality time together can reignite the spark in your relationship and keep it strong. So make it a priority and enjoy the benefits of a deeper connection. Way 3, practice empathy and understanding. Empathy and understanding are the heart of any strong relationship. They allow us to connect on a deeper level beyond just words. When you truly understand and empathize with someone, you validate their feelings and experiences, making them feel heard and valued. One way to practice empathy is to put yourself in the other person's shoes. Try to see the situation from their perspective. Ask yourself, how would I feel if I were in their position? This can help you respond with compassion and kindness. Listening with empathy is also crucial. It's not just about hearing the words, but understanding the emotions behind them. When someone shares their feelings with you, acknowledge their emotions. You can say something like, I can see that you're really upset about this, or that sounds really challenging. Avoid jumping to conclusions or making assumptions. Everyone has their own unique experiences and perspectives. Instead of judging, ask questions to gain a better understanding. Can you tell me more about how you're feeling? Or, what can I do to support you? It's also important to show empathy through your actions. Small gestures of kindness can go a long way. It could be as simple as offering a hug, a comforting word, or helping out with a task. These actions show that you care and are there for them. Remember, empathy is a skill that can be developed with practice. Be patient with yourself and others. It's okay to make mistakes. What's important is that you're making an effort to understand and connect. Practicing empathy and understanding can transform your relationships, making them more compassionate and supportive. So, start today and notice the positive impact on your connections. Way 4. Build trust. Trust is the cornerstone of any healthy relationship. Without it, relationships can feel unstable and insecure. Building trust takes time and consistent effort, but the rewards are well worth it. Trust creates a safe space where both parties feel valued and respected. One way to build trust is through honesty. Be truthful in your words and actions. Even small lies can erode trust over time. If you make a mistake, own up to it. Apologize sincerely and take responsibility for your actions. This shows integrity and reliability. Consistency is also key. Follow through on your commitments and promises. If you say you're going to do something, do it. This builds confidence in your reliability and dependability. Over time, these consistent actions build a strong foundation of trust. Another important aspect is to respect boundaries. Everyone has their own limits and comfort zones. Respecting these boundaries shows that you value and respect the other person's needs and feelings. It also creates a sense of safety and trust. Communication is also crucial in building trust. Be open and transparent about your thoughts and feelings. If something is bothering you, address it calmly and respectfully. Avoid keeping secrets or withholding information, as this can create suspicion and mistrust. Building trust also involves being supportive and dependable. Be there for the other person in times of need. Show up when it matters and offer your support. This creates a sense of security and reliability. Lastly, be patient. Building trust takes time, especially if it has been broken before. Be consistent in your actions and give the other person time to rebuild their confidence in you. Trust is a journey, not a destination. Building trust can strengthen your relationships and create a solid foundation for a lasting connection. So, start today and experience the benefits of a trusting relationship. Way 5. Show appreciation and gratitude. Showing appreciation and gratitude is like the sunshine that makes relationships grow. It's easy to take the people we love for granted, but expressing gratitude can make a world of difference. It's about acknowledging the positive impact others have on your life and making them feel valued. One way to show appreciation is through words. A simple thank you can go a long way. Whether it's for a small favor or a grand gesture, expressing your gratitude shows that you notice and value the other person's efforts. Be specific in your thanks. Instead of just saying thanks, try thank you for making dinner tonight. It really means a lot to me. Another way is through actions. Small gestures of kindness can show your appreciation. It could be as simple as making a cup of coffee for your partner, helping out with chores, or surprising a friend with their favorite treat. These actions show that you care and appreciate them. Writing a heartfelt note or letter is also a wonderful way to express gratitude. Take the time to write down what you appreciate about the other person and how they've made a positive impact on your life. This can be a keepsake that they cherish. Don't forget to celebrate the small victories and milestones. Whether it's a work achievement, a personal goal, or just making it through a tough week, take the time to acknowledge and celebrate together. This shows that you're paying attention and value their accomplishments. Remember to express gratitude regularly, not just on special occasions. Make it a habit to notice and acknowledge the positive things in your relationship. This creates a culture of appreciation and positivity. Showing appreciation and gratitude can strengthen your relationships and create a deeper connection. So start today and watch your relationships flourish with the power of gratitude. So, there you have it, 5 ways to improve your relationships. These tips are simple yet powerful, and they can make a big difference in your connections with others. Whether it's improving communication, spending quality time together, practicing empathy, building trust, or showing appreciation, each of these practices can help you create more meaningful and fulfilling relationships. Start implementing these tips today and watch your relationships flourish. It takes effort and consistency, but the rewards are well worth it. Remember, relationships are a journey, and every step you take towards improving them makes a positive impact. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on living your best life. Your support means the world to me, and I'm excited to continue this journey with you. Stay connected, stay happy, and keep nurturing those wonderful relationships.